transformer.
Okay, can you show us?
Okay.
Dan,
Okay.
Ta-dam.
Hi.
Dun, 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 dun. Mhm. So I leave it like that. Let's take out these weapons. Hey, why do these weapons want to come out? Let's take it out. Let's take this weapon out. Yeah, yes, these weapons coming out. It does look very smoothly. Mommy, I'm going to transform it. So we can. Oh yeah, I have to take this in and in.
What you doing there?
I'm making him. Could you please split this open? I can only split this one open,
Yeah.
and then. Oh,
See,
thank
it
you.
opens like that.
There we go. And just put the arm inside. And there we go. Now,
There's another one.
could you open this one? While I'm busy with this one. Ah,
There you go.
it does look very tricky, but it's not tricky. Mommy, see, I told you it's not tricky.
Is it?
It's just like a... Oh, there we go. And... There. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Could you close this?
What's happening? There we go. I think it's still open.
Please.
And then this guy. Let's see. That's the front. This is the back.
Oh.
Show the guys. Let me see. Ooh.
Slide. Huh. Oh. Do we have to?
And these are the other guys.
Wait,
I don't know if
this
you
I
can
have to
see.
do.
Look at the swords.
To the back.
What you doing now?
I need to do it so that I know I need to do it like this. I need to do something else. I need to change it into a weapon. But how do we... Could you flip it over like that? Ooh. Ooh.
It's open. I don't know if you can get that.
Oh yeah, I can. Oh.
Let him close it again.
No, it's not that one. It's this one because it's... It's kind of tricky also. Well, let me do this. Mommy, I did it! Oh.
So here's the other pot. And where's the other guy? Other half. So you need to open it here. And then turn it. And then flip it.
Yeah, but this guy did do it himself and we are helping each other. on my YouTube, I saw he was doing it himself.
There we go.
Oh.
And then this guy goes in here.
Oh, it came off.
There.
It came off.
Now you need to clip it in. Oh, what happened? There.
Mommy,
Ta-da! 2 of them.
yeah.
And then these guys. Oh, let's see this.
They have to split it. This is how it all must go. Oh. Bye-bye, I love you.
Bye, YouTube.
Bye, need you.